Hello students, myself Archana Varude from Praveen Patel College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. In this video, we are going to learn about the laser diode. First we see what is the full form of laser. As we know that in the name of laser, it contains 5 letters, that is LASER. This L stands for light, A stands for amplification, S stands for stimulated, E stands for emission, and R stands for radiation. And therefore, laser means light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. And for the production of this laser beam, we must need that stimulated emission of radiation. And this laser diode, it is a type of that diode. Laser diode, it is denoted by symbol LD, or it is also known as injection laser diode, denoted by the symbol ILD, or it is also known as diode laser. And it is a type of that semiconductor device which is similar to the light emitting diode. As we see in the earlier video, that is what is my light emitting diode. The diode which emits the light, that is called as a light emitting diode. And here this laser diode, it is similar to that of light emitting diode. This laser diode can directly convert electrical energy into light. And the choice of semiconductor material determines the wavelength of the emitted beam. And laser diodes are the most common types of laser produced, with a wide range of uses, and that include fiber optic communication. We know that when we consider conventional wires for the communication and fiber optic communications, then these fiber optic communications have wide range and the communication is very faster. And for the communication in optical fiber, these lasers are used. Then it is also used in barcode readers. When we go to the shopping malls or DMarts, then at that counters the barcode readers are used, and at that time that laser diodes are also used. It is also used in laser pointers, laser printing, laser scanning, and light beam illumination. This photograph shows it is a laser diode. Then what are the advantages of laser diode? The first advantage is the operational power in case of laser diode is less as compared to the other light emitting devices. Second, it is small in size and thus it allows better handling. That means it is easy for handling. Third is laser diodes generate light of high efficiency. But there are some also disadvantages of laser diode, and that are: first is, as it provides a light of high density, thus sometimes puts adverse effects on eyes. And second is, it is expensive. And where the laser diodes are used, that are also called as applications of laser diode. These laser diodes are wisely used in telecommunication and in defense industries. They are also used in fiber communication for signal transmission, as optical fibers requires highly focused beam, and they are also used in laser printers. These are the applications of laser diode. Now we take the overview of this first chapter, that is semiconductor diodes. In this first chapter, we study these types of diodes. First is PN junction diode. This is the symbol for PN junction diode. This is called as anode, that is positive terminal. This is negative terminal called as cathode. This standing line, it is show that it is the negative terminal. Then second is Zener diode. This is the symbol for Zener diode, and this symbol is similar to the PN junction diode. This is anode terminal, this is cathode terminal. Then LED symbol, that means light emitting diode. The difference is that here that arrow they are in the outward direction because it is a light emitting diode. That diode emits the light. The similarity is this is positive terminal called as anode and this is negative terminal called as cathode. Then photodiode symbol. The symbol of photodiode and LED are opposite to each other because here when we observe symbol of LED and photodiode, then in LED that arrows are in outward direction, but in photodiode that arrows are in inward direction, because when light is incident on photodiode, then due to that, if the intensity of photons or if the intensity of light increases, then photoelectric current also increases. Then last is power diode. This is the symbol of power diode and it is similar to PN junction diode. That's all about this video. Thank you.